Molly, I'm on XO, sipping Mickey, feeling blasphemous. Snorting lines of blowing on some dro and cancer sticks. Kicked it with some basilisk, even shook hands with Baphomet. People barely know a fraction, they don't know that half the shit I seen. I've been through all the trials and tribulations, exponential. How'd I step the level up and get the patience to withstand the fraudulence? I don't got the slightest idea if I'm being honest with you. Shit, can't go over under it. God knows that I tried to go around it, but I failed. So now I'm going through it, I'll keep going cause it's hell. Tequila shots all in my body, so what if it's wells? I ain't eating, bitch, I'm geeking, shit get deeper than the well. But oh well, we prevail, so what, we might go to hell. Shit is real, it's no jail, worse than my own mind prison cell. Let me fail, guarantee I'll bounce back, multiply by 12. Nothing matters cause I should've been dead now by 2012. I'm on Molly, I'm on XO, sipping Mickey, feeling blasphemous. Snorting lines of blowing on some dro and cancer sticks. Kicked it with some basilisk, even shook hands with Baphomet.